class, today we are going to learn about pathogenic infection. Microorganisms are defined as these organisms and a cellular biological entity too small to be cleared by the unaided air. They are generally 1 mm or less in diameter. Although small size is an important characteristic of the microbes, its role is not sufficient to define them. Some microscopic microorganisms are multicellular. They are distinguished from other multicellular life forms such as plants and animals by their lack of highly differentiated cells. Most uncellular microbes are microscopic. Generally, microorganisms include normal flora, opportunistic pathogenic, and pathogenic organisms that are found in a significant proportion of the healthy populations and ordinarily do not cause human disease. It may still have the potential to cause disease, which is called normal flora. Opportunistic pathogens, namely non-pathogenic microorganisms capable of causing infection disease under certain conditions. It is generally harmless in its normal habitat but can become pathogenic in a host who is sexually dilapidated or transmitted, who is under treatment with broad-spectrum antibiotics, whose immune system is suppressed by drugs or by an immune disorder. A number of findings, including opportunistic pathogens, are found in and on the human body. Any organism that has the potential to cause disease are called pathogenic. One is overt pathogens. It has a high probability of causing disease in an otherwise healthy host. The other is opportunistic pathogens, which have a low probability and unusually require a dilapidated or compromised host. Invasion by the multiplication of the pathogenic microorganism in a bodily part or tissue, which might produce subsequent tissue injury and progress to overt disease through a variety of the cellular or other mechanisms. From our discussion to this point, you can see that pathogenic microorganisms are endowed with special properties to enable them to cause disease, if given the rich opportunity. If microorganisms never encountered resistance from the host, we would constantly be ill and would die of various diseases after a short life. In most cases, never. Our body's defense prevents this from happening. Some of these defenses are designed to keep out microorganisms altogether. Other defenses remove the microorganisms if they do get in, and still others combat them if they remain inside. When microbes attack our bodies, we defend ourselves by utilizing our various mechanisms of immunity. Immunity, also called resistance, is the ability to ward off disease caused by microbes or their products, and to protect against environment agents such as pollen, chemicals, and animal dander. Lack of immunity is referred to as susceptibility. There are many factors that lead to emergence of the infectious disease. For example, change in society, technology, and environment, change of the microorganism in the patient, lead to increase in host susceptibility and/or transmission, lead to the evolution of a new or drug-resistant microorganism, and so on. Thank you for your attention.